Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are going to be checking out the Kuat Piston SR rooftop bike tray. As the name suggests, the Piston SR is designed to mount to the roof of a vehicle to one of many compatible crossbar systems. However, for our demonstration of this bike tray, we have mounted the rack to Kuat's Ibex truck rack using their side mount bike kit sold separately. The Piston SR offers unmatched durability and style with its all-metal construction and genuine Kashima coated struts. It securely holds one bike up to 67 pounds, accommodating wheelbases up to 53 inches, and tires up to 5 inches wide. Each wheel holder features adjustable wheel blocks to ensure the Piston SR can safely transport bikes with wheels ranging from 20 to 29 inches, and even bikes with fenders using the fender strap kit sold separately. Loading bikes onto the Piston SR is a quick and easy process. Simply lift your bike into the tray and pull the front wheel holder up over the tire to support it. Then bring the rear wheel holder into place on the tire to secure the bike for transport. The Piston SR features an integrated cable lock for security. This cable is designed to be routed through the frame of the bike and down into the lock mechanism located at the center of the tray. The cable can be removed from the bike by unlocking the mechanism with the supplied key set and feeding the cable back into the tray until the next time it is needed. To remove your bike from the rack, depress the release button located next to the flashy Kashima coated struts while supporting your bike. Then lift the bike up and out of the tray. Thanks for checking out our video on the Kuat Piston SR rooftop bike tray. If you have any questions on this product, please leave them in the comment section down below, or reach out to us directly using the contact info at the end of this video.